Hi, welcome to the NPA teaching. Today we are going to discuss the minor and cofactors of a matrix. Minor and cofactors are two most important concepts in matrices as they are crucial in computing adjoint of a matrix and hence its inverse as well as in the computation of determinant of a square matrix. A minor is defined as a value computed from the determinant of a square matrix which is obtained after crossing out of a row and column corresponding to the element that is under consideration. Since there are lots of rows and columns in the original matrix, you can make a lots of minors from it. Minor is generally denoted by Mij, which means minor of ith row and jth column. Thus, minor of an element in a matrix is obtained by deleting the row and column in which the element lies. Consider 2 into 2 order matrix. Matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Now we want to find out the minors of matrix A. In this case, we have 4 minors as we have 4 elements in the matrix A. Take the first element A11. Corresponding to the A11, we have minor M11, which is equal to, corresponding to the first element of matrix A, that is A11, we have minor M11, which can be found by crossing out the rows and columns that pass through corresponding entry, that is, see here like this. So by removing the rows and columns corresponding to that entry, we will get the value of A22. Similarly, corresponding to the second element A12, we have the minor M12, which is equal to crossing out the row and column corresponding to that entry, that is A12. See here like this, we have remaining, that is A21. The third element is A21. Corresponding to A21, we have M21, which is equal to, by crossing out the row and column, we will get the A12. And lastly, have corresponding to A22, we have M22, which is equal to, by crossing the row and column, what is remaining here, A11. So this is the procedure for finding the minor when we have a 2 into 2 order matrix. Consider the example of 2 into 2 order matrix, that is matrix A is equal to 6, 7, 12, 9, and we want to find out the minors. So M11 is equal to, by removing the row and column, we will get the 9, and M12 by removing the row and column, which is equal to 12, and M21 by removing the row and column, we will get a 7, and finally we have M22, which can be found by removing row and column, which is equal to 6. See, now we want to find out the minors of 3 into 3 order matrix. Matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, and A31, 32, and A33. Now we want to find out the first minor corresponding to the first element A11 by crossing the first row and first column. See like this. And what is remaining, we have a 2 into 2 order matrix, that is A22, A23, A32, A33. And as like we did in the determinant value, which is equal to A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. And the second minor M12, which can be corresponding to the element of A12. So we can find the minor by crossing the row and column corresponding to A12. What is here remaining, yet we have a 2 into 2 order matrix, that is A21, A23, A31, A33. Then minor is equal to A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. Then we have the third minor, which corresponding to the third element A13. By crossing the row and column, we have a 2 into 2 order matrix A21, A22, A31, A33, and the value of minor is equal to A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. In the similar way, we can find the remaining minors like M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, and M33. Consider the numerical example of 3 into 3 order matrix, and we want to find out the minor of the given matrix A is equal to 3, 6, 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 9, 1. Corresponding to the first element 3, we have a first minor M11, which is equal to, by crossing the row and column corresponding to 3, we have a 2 into 2 determinant, which is equal to 1, 8, 9, 1. So now with the value of M11 is equal to 1 into 1 minus 8 into 9, which is equal to 1 minus 72, which is equal to minus 71. So the value of first minor is equal to minus 71. Similarly, corresponding to the second element 6, we have a second minor, that is M12, which is equal to, by crossing row and column, we have a 2 into 2 matrix, which is equal to 2, 8, 7, 1. And the value of minor is equal to 2 into 1 minus 8 into 7, which is equal to 2 minus 56, which is equal to minus 54. For finding the third minor, we have the corresponding to the third element of matrix A, which is equal to 5. By crossing the row and column, we have a 2 into 2 order matrix, which is equal to 2, 1, 7, 9. And the value of minor 3, which is equal to 2 into 9 minus 1 into 7, which is equal to 18 minus 7, which is equal to 11. To find out the next minor, that is M21, corresponding to the first element of second row, that is 2, in the given matrix A, by crossing the row and column, we have a 2 into 2 determinant, which is 6, 5, 9, 1. And the minor is equal to 6 into 1 minus 5 into 9, 6 minus 45, which is equal to minus 39. In the similar way, we can find the other minors of the corresponding elements in the matrix A, as shown here. Cofactor of any element in the determinant A of any order is the determinant left after deleting rows and columns in which elements lies with a proper sign. This can be calculated by using the following equation. Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to the power I plus j into mij, where I denotes ith row, j denotes jth column to which elements aij belongs. Once you find the minor mij, you take the subscript on the name of minor, the I and j part, and add the two numbers I and j. Whatever the result you get from this addition, make this value the power on minus 1. You get plus 1 or minus 1 depending upon whether I plus j is even or odd. Then multiply this on the minor mij. This give you the cofactor aij. If the sum of I plus j is even, then aij is equal to mij, and if the sum is odd one, then aij is equal to minus mij. Hence, the only difference between the related minor entries and the cofactor may be a sign change or nothing at all. Consider 2 into 2 order matrix. Matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Now we want to find out the cofactor of given matrix A. So here the first cofactor, that is C11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is I plus j, which is equal to here first row and first column. That's why here 1 plus 1 into M11, that is first minor, which is equal to minus 1 square into M11, that is 1 into M11, which is M11. So the first cofactor is M11. Similarly, the second cofactor, which is C12, corresponding to the second element, that is A12, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is first row and second column, into the second minor 1, 2, which is equal to minus 1 cube into M12, that is minus 1 into M12 equal to minus M12. So the second cofactor is minus M12. Next one is cofactor 21, corresponding to the element A21, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1, that is second row and first column, into corresponding minor m21, which is equal to minus 1 cube into m21, that is minus 1 into 21, which is equal to minus 21. Similarly, we can find the cofactor of the fourth element, that is C22, corresponding to the fourth element A22, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 into the minor m22, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 4 into m22, which is equal to 1 into m22, that is m22. So the last cofactor is m22. Thus, in the 2 into 2 order matrix, we have the cofactors of m11 minus m12 minus m21 and lastly m22. Consider numerical example of 2 into 2 order matrix for finding the cofactor. Matrix A is equal to C 6, 7, 12, 9. And we know how to find the minor from given matrix A. So the first minor m11 corresponding to the first element, which is equal to 9, and the second minor m12 corresponding to the second element, which is equal to 12, and the third minor, that is m21, corresponding to the third element a21, which is equal to 7, and the fourth minor, which is equal to m22, is 6. Now we want to find out the cofactor of given matrix A. The first cofactor C11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into the first minor, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, which is equal to square, into the first minor is equal to 9, and the first cofactor thus is equal to 9. And the second cofactor C12, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2, that means minus 1 cube into the second minor 12. So minus 1 into 12 is equal to minus 12. And third cofactor is equal to C21, corresponding to the A21, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into the third minor, which is equal to m21, which is equal to minus 1 cube into 7, that is minus 1 into 7 is equal to minus 7. And the fourth cofactor, that is C22, is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 2 into the fourth minor m22, which is 6. So minus 1 raised to the power 4 into 6 equal to 6. Now with a 3 into 3 order matrix, matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We want to find out the cofactor of this matrix. So the first cofactor C11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is first row and first column, into the first minor. So here minus 1 square into the minor, first minor, is equal to, by removing the first row and first column, we have a 2 into 2 order matrix, that is A22, A23, A32, A33. So the cofactor is equal to A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. Similarly, the second cofactor C12, which is equal to the corresponding to the first row second element, that is A12. So the corresponding to A12, we have a cofactor C12, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power the first row plus second column, that is 1 plus 2, into the second minor, which is equal to minus 1 cube into the minor, which is equal to minus 1 into, removing rows and columns, we will get the minor is equal to A21, A23, A31, A33, which is equal to minus into A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. In the similar way, we can find the other cofactors of this matrix also. Now consider the last example of 3 into 3 order matrix. Matrix A is equal to 3, 6, 5, 2, 1, 8, 7, 9 and 1. Find minor and cofactor. So in this example, we want to find out the minor and cofactors. So the minors are 1 1, which is the corresponding to the first element 3. By removing the rows and columns corresponding to the first element, we will have a 2 into 2 order matrix, that is 1 8 9 1, which is equal to 1 into 1 minus 8 into 9, that is 1 minus 72, which is equal to minus 71. So the first minor is 71. Accordingly, we can find the other minors also. So the second minor is minus 54, third minor is 11, fourth minor is minus 39, fifth minor is minus 32, sixth minor is minus 15, seventh minor is 43, eighth minor is 14, and the last minor is minus 1. Now by using the same matrix here, we want to find out the cofactors. So the first cofactor is C11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is first row, first column, that is corresponding to the first element 3, into the minor of the first element M11, which is equal to minus 1 square into the first minor, which is equal to 1 into minus 71, which is equal to minus 71. Now the second cofactor, which is C12, which is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2 into second minor, that is M12, which is equal to minus 1 cube into second minor, which is minus 1 into minus 54. So minus 1 into minus 54 will become 54. The same way we can find the other cofactors also. I hope you are clear about the how to find the minor and cofactors of a matrix. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to get the updated video by clicking subscribe button and bell icon. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.